Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our University of Leicester account. Let's get started. So to log into your University of Leicester account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. For opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for University of Leicester login. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this first option, which is University of Leicester login. From here, in order to log into your account, what you have to do is just enter your account username and then enter the password. After entering your account's password and username, what you can do is just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just tap on forgot your password. After tapping on forgot your password, you can easily reset or decode your account's password by creating a new one. After creating a new password for your account, what you can do is just come back to this login page and then enter the new password that you have created. After entering that, just tap on sign in and you'll successfully sign into your account. But if you do remember your account's password, but if you think that password is too weak for your account and you want to change that, what you can do is then you can just tap on change your password, and after tapping on change your password, what you will do is you will change your account's password. So to change your account's password, first what you have to do is just enter your username, then provide your old password, then enter your new password, and then confirm your new password by re-entering it, and then tap on submit, and after tapping on submit, you can easily change your account's password. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your University of Leicester account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.